Welcome to the Financial Market Examiner YouTube channel, where you learn about forex, crypto, and the stocks market. Today on this channel, we'll learn about the use cases of cryptocurrencies. So I know you're excited. Let's get to it. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They are decentralized and typically operate on a technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Cryptocurrencies and crypto assets have a wide range of use cases beyond just being digital currencies. Use cases of cryptocurrencies. Digital currency. The primary use case of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is to serve as a digital alternative to traditional fiat currencies, allowing for peer-to-peer transactions and cross-border payments. Store of value. Some cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are considered store of value assets similar to gold. Investors hold them as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Smart contracts. Platforms like Ethereum enable the creation of self-executing smart contracts, which automate contract execution when predefined conditions are met. They have applications in various industries, including finance, real estate, and supply chain. Tokenization. Crypto assets can represent ownership of value in various real-world assets, such as real estate, art, stocks, and commodities. This process is known as tokenization and can make these assets more accessible and liquid. Decentralized finance. DeFi platforms use crypto assets to provide traditional financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading without the need for intermediaries. These platforms operate on blockchain technology. Non-fungible tokens. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital or physical items such as art, music, collectibles, and in-game items. They have gained popularity in the arts and entertainment industries. Cross-border payments. Cryptocurrencies can be used for international remittances, offering a faster and potentially cheaper way to send money across borders. Micropayments. Crypto assets enable low-cost micropayments, making it feasible to pay small amounts for content, services, and goods on the internet. Identity verification. Blockchain technology can be used to create secure, tamper-proof digital identities. Users can create their personal information and selectively share it with third parties. Supply chain management. Blockchain technology can improve transparency and traceability in supply chains. Companies can use it to track the origins and movement of products, reducing frauds and ensuring product quality. Voting and governance. Blockchain-based systems can be used and secured in transparent voting processes in elections and corporate governance. Privacy and anonymity. Some cryptocurrencies like Monero and Zcash prioritize users' privacy and anonymity, making it suitable for transactions that require enhanced privacy protection. Content monetization. Content creators can use crypto assets to monetize their work directly by passing traditional intermediaries and receiving payment from their audience. Gambling and gaming. Crypto assets are used in online gaming and gambling platforms for in-game purchases, virtual goods, and betting. Remittances. Cryptocurrencies offer a cost-effective and efficient way for immigrants to send money back to their home countries. These are just a few examples of diverse use cases for crypto assets. The blockchain technology that underpins cryptocurrencies is versatile and has the potential to disrupt various industries and sectors by offering secure, transparent, and decentralized solutions. So with this, we've come to the end of the video for today. Kindly share with us your feedback in the comment section, and note that this video is not for financial advice but for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.